Hey guys, this is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and in this video we're going to be checking out 3 awesome cables that every filmmaker needs. First up is of course HDMI. This is a super necessary cable that you need for all of your monitors, whether it's on camera as a viewfinder or off camera. I recommend 3 sizes, a very short one for on camera monitors and viewfinders, a medium one that's about 3 to 4 feet for moving that monitor off your camera such as a Ronin, and then a really long one. Mine is 25 feet, which is going to be a director's monitor, somewhere going to a video village where anybody can pull focus and use that monitor. So these are really awesome cables, and I highly recommend you get those 3 sizes. Next up, we have SDI, or also known as BNC. These two are used for very similar uses as is HDMI, but these are more meant for viewfinders. I have a short one, because again I recommend 3 sizes, a short one for my monitor on top of the camera, and I also recommend a medium length one, 3 to 4 feet for moving that monitor off the camera just a little distance. And then again, at least 25 feet. These ones can carry a signal a lot farther than HDMI, at least 25 feet for going to a director's monitor, something like that, where it's away from the camera a fair distance. And last but not least is of course XLR. This is the only way to get audio using professional equipment. They do carry their signal for a very long distance, and again I recommend 3 sizes. I have a short 6-foot one, a long-ish 10-foot one, and I also use a 15-foot right angle connector. That is what's going to go onto my shotgun microphone on top of a boom pole. And the awesome thing about these is that you can combine all of the ends together. So I can use every single cable that I've got and make a very long one. So you can keep these a little bit shorter than all the other ones, and you can combine them together. But I do have a 6, a 10, and a 15-foot cable, and they all come in use for different purposes. But there you go, those are the cables that every filmmaker should use. The 3 sizes that you need, about 1 to 2 feet, 3 to 4, and about 15 to 25. If this video helped you out and you are feeling like being awesome, feel free to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button as well for more filmmaking tips and tricks. This is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and I will see you in the next one.